Welcome back to Car Flash Drive, the home of automotive excellence, speed, and innovation. Today, we're diving into something truly monumental at the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon, a car that isn't just a successor to the legendary Chiron, but a redefinition of what a hypercar can be in the modern era. This machine represents the perfect fusion of heritage and future, combining Bugatti's timeless craftsmanship with groundbreaking hybrid technology. So buckle up, because we're going deep into every curve, every detail, and every beat of this engineering masterpiece. The moment you first lay eyes on the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon, it's clear this isn't just another fast car, it's a piece of moving art. The Tourbillon name itself, inspired by the intricate rotating mechanism found in high-end watches, hints at the mechanical precision and beauty that this car embodies. The front end is unmistakably Bugatti, with the iconic horseshoe grille dominating the center, flanked by sleek, razor-sharp LED headlights that integrate into the bodywork like the eyes of a predatory animal. The aerodynamic flow of the car is simply breathtaking. Air is channeled perfectly through sculpted intakes, over the bonnet, and around the sides to maximize downforce and minimize drag. Every single panel on this car has been shaped not just for beauty, but for function. Move to the side and the Bugatti Tourbillon tells an entirely new story in motion and proportion. The car sits slow and wide, with flowing lines that seem to stretch the body like liquid metal sculpted by the wind. The C-shaped curve, an iconic Bugatti design element, remains, but it's been reimagined with modern precision. The massive rear haunches give it an athletic stance, while the carbon fiber detailing reminds you this isn't just about elegance, it's built for ultimate performance. The doors open dramatically, giving you an entry that feels more like stepping into a fighter jet than a car. The attention to detail, from the flush door handles to the seamlessly integrated mirrors and the razor-thin character lines, speaks volumes about Bugatti's obsession with perfection. Even standing still, the Tourbillon looks like it's slicing through air at 400 km/h. At the rear, things get even more dramatic. The back of the Bugatti Tourbillon looks like a work of futuristic art fused with pure race engineering. The rear light bar spans the width of the car, glowing like a streak of red lightning. Below it sits a massive diffuser designed to keep the car stable even at speeds beyond 400 km/h. The quad exhaust system is now integrated more elegantly, producing a deeper and more symphonic tone thanks to the hybrid V16 setup. The active rear wing adjusts dynamically, not only to provide downforce at high speeds but also to act as an air brake when you decelerate from extreme velocity. Every inch of the rear section serves a purpose, yet it all comes together as a stunning visual masterpiece. The rear deck is also beautifully transparent, showcasing the engine bay where the heart of the Tourbillon beats, a sight every car lover would call mechanical poetry. Step inside, and the Bugatti Tourbillon takes luxury to an entirely new level. The interior isn't about digital overload, it's about timeless craftsmanship meeting modern innovation. Bugatti took inspiration from Swiss watchmaking, ensuring every control, dial, and material feels bespoke and mechanical rather than purely digital. Instead of massive screens and touch controls, the Tourbillon features analog-style gauges that move with astonishing precision. There's a retractable digital display that hides when not needed, maintaining a pure and elegant dashboard aesthetic. The materials used inside are second to none, a blend of fine leather, polished aluminum, carbon fiber, and sapphire crystal components. Even the steering wheel feels like an instrument of art, beautifully crafted, minimalistic, and perfectly weighted. The center console is made of milled aluminum, with exposed mechanisms that feel like you are interacting with a high-end watch. The seats are slim yet supremely comfortable, providing perfect support for both spirited driving and long-distance cruising. There's a sense of intimacy in the cabin, every part of it is designed around the driver. The craftsmanship echoes Bugatti's heritage while embracing the future. You feel both connected to tradition and propelled into tomorrow. The overall vibe of the interior is pure Bugatti, a place where art, science, and emotion collide. But of course, no Bugatti is complete without a truly mind-blowing powertrain under the hood. The 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon ditches the quad-turbo W16 engine that powered the Chiron and replaces it with an all-new 8.3-liter naturally aspirated V16, paired with a tri-motor hybrid system. This combination produces a staggering 1,800 horsepower, with 1,000 coming from the combustion engine alone and another 800 from the electric motors. The result: lightning-fast acceleration, an instant response from the electric motors, and that distinctive Bugatti roar from the V16 that makes your heart race. The performance figures are, as expected, otherworldly. The Tourbillon rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour in just around 2 seconds, 0 to 200 in under 5. And it pushes beyond 440 km per hour in top speed testing. The hybrid system allows for short bursts of electric-only driving, making it suitable even for city use. Though let's be honest, this car was born for the open road and racetrack. The transmission is a multi-speed dual-clutch setup that shifts with surgical precision, while the all-wheel drive system ensures every ounce of power is delivered efficiently to the road. Bugatti engineers didn't just focus on speed, they focused on balance, agility, and driving emotion. The Tourbillon's chassis uses an ultra-light carbon fiber structure combined with titanium and aluminum elements, ensuring both rigidity and lightness. The suspension system is fully adaptive, offering both comfort and performance when needed. Whether you're cruising at 100 or blazing past 400, the Tourbillon remains calm, composed, and in total control. The steering feels precise, the brakes are immensely powerful thanks to carbon ceramic technology, and the aerodynamic systems work seamlessly to keep you glued to the asphalt. In terms of technology, the Tourbillon integrates subtle innovation rather than flashy distraction. You'll find hidden sensors, adaptive drive modes, and a hybrid control system that learns your driving habits to optimize power delivery. There's even a regenerative braking mode that recovers energy to feed back into the hybrid system. And while it's loaded with high-tech features, the Tourbillon never feels cluttered. It's still a driver's machine at heart. Bugatti has achieved something rare, a hypercar that blends raw mechanical soul with the smooth efficiency of electrification. When it comes to price, exclusivity remains key. The 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon is expected to start around $3.8 million, depending on custom specifications. Each car is handcrafted at Bugatti's facility in Molsheim, France. With nearly endless possibilities for personalization, buyers can choose bespoke paint colors, interior materials, and even custom engravings, ensuring no two Tourbillons are exactly alike. Production will be extremely limited, rumored to be around 250 units, ensuring its status as one of the rarest and most coveted cars on Earth. The Tourbillon doesn't just carry Bugatti's legacy forward, it redefines it. Where the CHIRON was about brute force and dominance, the Tourbillon is about balance, artistry, and evolution. It represents the future of Bugatti, a hybrid hypercar that doesn't sacrifice soul for technology, but instead uses it to amplify the experience. It's a bridge between eras, the last true celebration of the combustion engine and the beginning of a new electric-assisted age of performance. Every sound, every curve, every gearshift feels intentionally like a symphony orchestrated for the driver. It's a car that makes you appreciate the essence of engineering brilliance, the romance of design, and the passion behind every mechanical movement. Standing beside it, you're reminded that Bugatti doesn't build cars, it builds dreams sculpted in carbon fiber and powered by pure imagination. And that brings us to the end of our review of the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of human achievement, a showcase of where automotive excellence can go when passion meets perfection. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates the art of engineering, the Tourbillon is a masterpiece that will be remembered for decades. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Bugatti's next-generation hypercar, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Flash Drive, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews and automotive stories. Tell us in the comments, what do you think of Bugatti's new direction with the Tourbillon? Would you choose this over the CHIRON, or is the hybrid future not your taste? Either way, one thing is certain, Bugatti continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. Until next time, this is Car Flash Drive, signing off. Keep your engines roaring and your dreams in motion.